Microsoft Ignite 2025 Roundup Artificial Intelligence. Microsoft Agent 365. AI agents are becoming part of every workflow, but until now, there's been no way to manage them like the rest of your digital estate. That changes with Microsoft Agent 365, now available through the Frontier program. Agent 365 is essentially Entra plus Defender plus Purview plus Microsoft 365 Admin Center, but for agents. It extends enterprise-grade identity, security and governance to AI workflows. Agent Registry, a complete inventory of every agent in your organization, including shadow agents created outside formal channels. Access Control, conditional access for agents, ensuring they're only able to reach the resources they actually need. Agent Visualization, a real-time graph showing how agents interact with people, data and apps, ideal for spotting risk and understanding impact. Interoperability and Work IQ. Agents can plug into your organizational context, unlocking smarter reasoning and seamless workflow integration. Security and Data Governance protects agents from compromise and prevents sensitive data from being misused, overshared or exfiltrated. This is arguably one of the most important Ignite announcements. Agent 365 isn't just a tool, it's the foundation for managing AI at scale. Microsoft 365 Copilot. Microsoft 365 Copilot is becoming more accessible and capable, with major updates that bring advanced AI assistance to more users, lower barriers to entry, and make intelligent productivity the default across Office apps. Dedicated Office agents, new agents for Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, via the Frontier program, allow users to generate high-quality content directly from Copilot chat. Each agent handles multi-step reasoning and asks clarifying questions to tailor results. Excel agent converts data into charts, summaries, and insights for forecasts, plans, and decision-making. Word agent organizes complex information into clear, structured documents, ideal for policies, reports, and plans. PowerPoint agent creates narrative-driven presentations using organizational context and branding. Agent Mode expands across Office apps. Agent Mode is now fully integrated in PowerPoint and enhanced in Excel and Word. PowerPoint generate branded, structured slides, update existing decks, and insert tables, images, and content seamlessly. Excel bring in external data, choose reasoning models, OpenAI or Anthropic, and automate calculations. Word use Work IQ to automatically select contextually relevant sources, ensuring accurate, up-to-date documents. Outlook enhancements. Copilot in Outlook now works across the entire inbox, calendar, and meetings. Interactive voice mode for hands-free email triage. One-tap actions like summarizing, triaging, and replying. Schedule meetings through chat, complete with agendas, rooms, and invites. Automatic conflict resolution for flexible events. Copilot chat in model-driven apps. Starting December 17, makers can preview unified Copilot chat in model-driven apps. It carries context from productivity apps into business apps, reducing context switching and helping users get work done more efficiently. Copilot Studio enhancements. New features give makers and admins greater control and confidence. Agent evaluations. Preview automated tests provide objective metrics and version comparisons. Computer use. Preview hosted browsers and cloud PC pools let agents automate tasks across apps and websites. Real-time monitoring. GA integrate internal or third-party security tools to safeguard agent runs. Microsoft Entra Agent ID. Unique IDs enable discovery, lifecycle governance, and enterprise access control. File creation and context access. Agents can now generate Word, Excel, and PowerPoint files using natural language. Scoped access to Teams, Calendar, Directory, People, OneNote, and shared mailboxes ensure secure, context-rich interactions. AI security and governance. Microsoft is adding new tools to help organizations secure, monitor, and govern AI agents and Microsoft 365 environments. Microsoft Baseline Security Mode. GA Baseline Security Mode lets IT and security teams apply recommended configurations across Microsoft 365 with a few clicks. Through a guided experience, teams can identify gaps, simulate changes, and deploy protections across Office, SharePoint, Teams, Microsoft Entra, and more, reducing risk from known vulnerabilities and building resilience against emerging threats with minimal disruption. Agent Dashboard. Preview the new Agent Dashboard provides centralized reporting on AI agent usage and adoption across the organization. IT and leadership teams can track trends, adoption by group, and agent highlights, supporting governance and maximizing impact. Microsoft Purview Updates, Preview. DLP for Copilot prompts. Protects sensitive data like credit card numbers or personal details by blocking AI agents from responding and using it for grounding. Overshared link remediation, identify and fix overshared links at scale in SharePoint to reduce exposure, part of Data Security Posture Management, DSPM. AI observability in DSPM, full visibility into all agents, helping security teams proactively manage risk and ensure compliance. These features help organizations deploy, monitor, and secure AI agents at scale, providing control, insight, and peace of mind. Microsoft Edge. Copilote mode AI. Microsoft Edge for Business is introducing Copilot mode, turning the browser into a proactive, agentic assistant that securely combines web and organizational data. Key features include: Agent mode executes multi-step workflows on IT-approved sites with user oversight and visual cues. Requires a Microsoft 365 Copilot license. Copilot-inspired new tab, unified search and chat with access to files and suggested Copilot prompts. Daily briefing, highlights meetings, tasks, and priorities using Microsoft Graph and browser history. Other AI enhancements. Multi-tab reasoning across open tabs. Intelligent browser history for quick retrieval. YouTube video summarization. All AI features respect existing data protection policies. Broader availability is expected in February. Security, governance, and admin controls. Edge for Business continues to strengthen enterprise-grade security and manageability. Contractor and externally managed devices. Starting in January 2026, Microsoft Edge for Business will extend Intune Mobile Application Management, MAM, protections beyond BYOD to include devices managed by other organizations. Admins can deploy a managed Edge browser profile on these externally controlled devices so that organizational data remains within the tenant boundary, even when the endpoint is managed by a third party. Security. Microsoft Defender. Microsoft Defender now provides deeper integration across the cloud, AI, and agentic apps, giving organizations unified security visibility and proactive risk management. Key updates include: integration of Defender for Cloud and GitHub. Native integration with GitHub Advanced Security protects apps across the full lifecycle, from code to runtime, while Copilot Autofix and GitHub Copilot automatically generate suggested fixes, helping teams prioritize critical risks and accelerate remediation. Serverless posture management in Defender for Cloud. Preview coverage for Azure Functions, Azure Web Apps, and AWS Lambda is coming in November. Preview. IT teams will soon be able to gain visibility into serverless resources, misconfigurations, and vulnerabilities. AI agent protection, unified posture management, risk reduction, and threat detection for AI agents across pro-code, low-code, and no-code platforms. Unified cloud security, consolidated dashboards bring posture management, threat protection, and asset inventories across Azure, AWS, and GCP into a single view, with role-based access control for compliance. Predictive threat disruption includes predictive shielding, third-party attack disruption for AWS/Okta, Proofpoint, and a threat hunting agent to orchestrate hunting sessions with natural language queries. Entra. Microsoft Entra is introducing secure access for AI agents, agentic workflows for identity and security teams, enhanced protections for employees using generative AI apps, and expanded passwordless authentication. Entra Agent ID. Preview assign unique, enterprise-managed identities to AI agents, enabling secure access, lifecycle governance, and full visibility across your organization. Register and manage AI agents with built-in identities automatically protected by organizational policies. Govern agent identities and lifecycle with IT-defined guardrails. Protect agent access to resources, block risky agents, and prevent access to malicious resources with conditional access and traffic inspection. Supports agents developed in Microsoft Copilot Studio, Microsoft Foundry, Security Copilot, and via Agent Framework or SDKs. AI-powered Security Copilot agents. Preview. Conditional Access Optimization Agent ensures appropriate protections are applied to the right users. Identity Risk Management Agent investigates and remediates risky users with AI insights. App Lifecycle Management Agent automates discovery, onboarding, monitoring, and remediation of apps. Access Review Agent streamlines user access and permission reviews with AI-powered recommendations. Microsoft Entra Internet Access and AI. Preview. Real-time protection against prompt injection attacks across all AI apps. Expanded visibility into network traffic to detect unsanctioned AI usage. Network file filtering integrated with Microsoft Purview to block sensitive content sent to AI and SaaS apps. New Entra ID features. Preview. Support for synced passkeys and passkey profiles for easier management. Enhanced risk detection and remediation for faster response and improved SOC collaboration. Secure self-service account recovery using verified ID face check and government-issued ID. These updates give organizations comprehensive identity and access control for the agentic AI era, combining automated governance with real-time protection for users, agents, and apps. Intune. Microsoft Intune introduces new features, all in preview or coming soon, to help IT teams secure, manage, and recover endpoints more efficiently. Key updates include Security Copilot agents, admin controls, and expanded natural language support. Security Copilot agents. Change Review Agent analyses change requests in context, checking for risks, conflicts, and compliance. Provides detailed insights and recommendations. Initially supports multi-admin approval script requests. Policy Configuration Agent accelerates policy creation by capturing intent from documents or natural language, mapping to recommended settings, and enabling review before deployment. Device Offboarding Agent suggests devices for removal using activity signals and provides a simple offboarding workflow to strengthen security and efficiency. Remote Windows Recovery enables remote management of Windows Recovery Environment, WinRE, at scale, allowing IT admins to recover devices remotely even if they cannot boot or the user is absent. Admin controls and workflow enhancements. Centralized admin tasks. Prioritized task lists help IT teams act on critical items faster, simplifying management and accelerating vulnerability remediation. Maintenance windows. Unified scheduling for updates reduces disruption and improves patch compliance. Preview January 2026. Controlled deployments. Pause and resume options reduce risk and prepare for future AI-driven automation. Preview January 2026. Copilot integration. Natural language exploration unlocks deeper Intune insights, including autopilot, endpoint privilege management, and advanced analytics. Admins can query data, navigate custom views, create new groups, or update existing ones directly from Copilot results, generally available. Microsoft Purview. Microsoft Purview introduces significant advancements to help organizations secure data, enforce compliance, and manage autonomous agents across Microsoft 365 and third-party platforms. Key updates include AI-powered posture management, agent observability, and expanded controls. Data Security Posture Management, DSPM. Centralized, AI-powered DSPM combines Microsoft Purview visibility with external signals and agentic activity, providing proactive insights into organizational data risk. Helps simplify data security posture, stitch together customer scenarios, and improve policy hygiene. Includes new Security Copilot agents. Data Security Posture Agent discovers sensitive content, assesses posture gaps, and improves policy hygiene. Preview. Data Security Alert Triage Agent enables analysts to triage, prioritize, and remediate critical alerts, automating incident response, generally available. Agent and AI Security Enhancements. Agent Observability and Posture Management. DSPM inventories all agents, including third-party agents, and provides risk assessment, risk scoring, and guided remediation for Microsoft 365 Copilot, Copilot Studio, and Foundry agents. Extended Microsoft Purview protection. Established security and governance policies now extend to autonomous agents, allowing them to inherit the same protections and policies as human users. Preview. Insider Risk Management, IRM, for agents. Dedicated analytics flag risky agent behaviors, enabling proactive investigation and policy enforcement. Supports prompt injection prevention, unsupervised access detection, and chained actions risk mitigation. Preview. Extended governance. Tools like communication compliance, data lifecycle management, audit, and e-discovery now cover more agent interactions, ensuring secure retention and full accountability, generally available. Data security and compliance capabilities. DLP, information protection, insider risk management, and data security investigations have been enhanced to cover Microsoft 365 Copilot, Copilot Chat, and agentic interactions. Real-time controls prevent sensitive data from being returned in AI-generated responses or used for grounding in Microsoft 365 and web services. Preview. Security Copilot. 12 new Security Copilot agents are built into Microsoft Defender, Entra, Intune, and Purview, with 30+ partner agents providing end-to-end protection. They integrate into workflows to automate tasks, surface threat intelligence, and support identity, data, and endpoint security. Capabilities. SOC teams automate alert triage, prioritize threats, enable natural language threat hunting, and accelerate response. Identity teams manage risky users, optimize conditional access, and streamline access reviews. Data security teams, Purview discover and remediate sensitive data exposure with proactive insights. IT teams, Intune turn requirements into policies, assess changes, and identify devices for removal. Security for AI. A new dashboard in preview for CISOs and AI risk leaders, providing a single view of AI posture and risk across Microsoft security solutions. Unified observability, aggregate risk signals from Defender, Purview, and Entra for complete AI asset visibility. Consolidated AI risk profile, connect security and data posture insights across configurations, data, models, and threats. Accelerated risk mitigation, receive AI-powered recommendations and security copilot guidance directly within Microsoft tools. Windows and AI productivity. Windows continues to enhance productivity through native AI integration, copilot features, and cloud PC support. Model Context Protocol, MCP, on Windows. Standardized framework enabling AI agents to connect with apps and tools to automate tasks. Agents can access apps through agent connectors registered in the on-device registry. Users configure which apps can be accessed via a new agent connector settings page. Built-in agent connectors. File Explorer connector, secure access to local files, supports natural language search, metadata filtering, and image classification. System Settings Connector allows agents to modify complex device settings like Bluetooth, network, and more. Agent Workspace, private preview isolated, auditable environment where agents interact with software in parallel with user activity, ensuring enterprise security and compliance. Windows Security and Recovery. Windows strengthens enterprise security, recovery, and endpoint management. Auto Patch Update Readiness, Preview. Real-time insights, IT admins gain complete visibility into device readiness, seeing which devices are ready for updates or at risk. Proactive management, shifts from reactive troubleshooting to preventive maintenance, helping prevent update failures before they disrupt work. Unified dashboard in Intune, identify devices at risk, understand blockers like policy conflicts or missing telemetry, and remediate immediately. Actionable guidance, provides clear remediation steps and flags non-compliant devices early. Predictable and transparent process, makes update management across large device estates more manageable and less stressful. Enhanced telemetry, ensures devices report accurate signals to track readiness and maintain compliance efficiently. Windows recovery enhancements. Intune Managed Recovery, remote control of the Windows recovery environment, WinRE, for individual or groups of devices. IT teams can choose the right recovery tools and orchestrate endpoint recovery workflows. Intune enables them to deploy recovery scripts or initiate recovery actions directly on devices. Point-in-time restore, PITR, lets users and IT quickly roll back a device to its exact state before a problem, restoring the OS, apps, settings, and files, no deep expertise needed. Cloud Rebuild fully reinstalls Windows 11 on a malfunctioning PC, restoring reliability and, with Intune, Autopilot, Backup, and OneDrive, also brings back apps, data, and settings, minimizing downtime.